Do you ever feel like your Spanish just sounds off, like you're stuck in a textbook? If you want to know how to sound more natural, then stick around, because in the next few minutes, we'll show you how to sound more like a native speaker by contracting certain words and using diminutives. But before we begin, why not get started on BaseLang to help you improve your Spanish speaking skills? We provide unlimited Spanish tutoring for a flat rate. You can sign up right now for just $1 through the link in the description. Okay, so the first way to sound more natural is to shorten or contract your words. You've probably noticed native Spanish speakers use contractions like pa instead of para in their conversations. This is exactly what you need to keep up with the locals. But first things first, you need to familiarize yourself with the most common contractions. Está is usually contracted to ta. So instead of saying está bien, it's fine, you can say está bien. Another contraction is pa, from para. So instead of saying voy para el trabajo, I'm going to work, you can just say voy para el trabajo. This shortens the el as well. The same goes for para qué, what for, which can be shortened to pa qué. We even shorten a lot of words for everyday things. So instead of el bolígrafo and la televisión and el refrigerador, just say el boli, la tele, and el refri. These are just some of the common contractions in the Spanish language. Your BaseLang teachers can give you more examples in your one-on-one lessons. Another way to sound more natural is to use diminutives. We use these if we want to make something sound cuter or more endearing by adding ito or ita at the end of a word. It's very similar to how English speakers add a y to make something more endearing, like doggy or kitty. Let's take a look at some common diminutives and the end in ito and ita. Perro, dog, becomes perrito, little dog, and casa, house, becomes casita, little house. If a word ends in e, n, or r, we can add cito or cita to get the diminutives. Café, coffee, becomes cafecito, little coffee, and pan, bread, becomes pancito, little bread. There you have it. Just keep practicing these and you will quickly sound more like a natural. Familiarize yourself with Spanish contractions and get into the habit of using diminutives, and you'll be speaking like a natural in no time. And if you want to learn how to confidently speak Spanish, then why not schedule your first BaseLang class today? At baselang.com, you get access to unlimited one-on-one Spanish classes with native speaking teachers, all via Zoom. Try your first week for only $1. Remember that learning a new language is a journey that takes time, so enjoy every step of the way. Vamos pa'lante! Go for it!